All right. My name is Zach. I'm the Rehab Director over at Victory Sports Medicine, and my pleasure to be here with Shervin. He is now 1 year out of his BEAR, his Bridged Enhanced ACL Restoration. And we want to highlight something on Shervin. It's these quads and hamstrings that he's got on him. So prior to surgery, he was repping 8 to 10 reps of 275 pounds, give or take. After surgery, a year out of surgery, now 8 reps at 375, is that correct?
365, 375, I'd say, yeah.
So a 100 pound jump, and he crushed all of his functional testing, and that correlates with the size of those legs. Your functional testing correlates in passing those tests because of those legs. So we appreciate you coming in and being a beast through and through. Quadzilla here, thunder and lightning. Do you have anything to say about the procedure and the rehab post?
I mean, the team here at Victory, they've been amazing since day one. Had my back, worked with them for part of my PT and the surgery. The BEAR has been, I think, definitely a game changer. I don't have experience with normal ACL reconstruction, but I think the repair has allowed me to feel a bit more confident about what I can do moving forward, and also be a bit more grateful about the mobility that I do have. And yeah, the team is amazing. Dr. Petropoli, Zach, killing it. I really appreciate your support.
Amen. Thank you for everything.